I'm going to show you the top 7 monthly reoccurring affiliate programs to promote. That way you can get paid every single month. Now, if you've never heard of an affiliate program that gives you passive income, it's essentially a program where when someone signs up, they're paying every single month. Now, that's beneficial to you because you as the affiliate are going to get paid every single month as long as that person is paying a subscription. Now, I personally have over 40 companies that pay me passively every single month, which is amazing because I can literally predict my income with these monthly passive affiliate programs. But throughout this video, I'm going to reveal my top 7 monthly affiliate programs that you can start promoting today. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a secret on how you can promote these programs and many other programs in literally seconds. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and leave that 9-to-5 job. You see, I was able to leave my job within 9 months of starting my affiliate business. So if you're interested in watching more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel because I come out with videos every single week. All right, so when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have 2 types of affiliate programs. You have your monthly reoccurring programs that pay you every single month, and then you have high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know the difference, a high ticket affiliate product could be like a high ticket course or a high ticket product, and you get paid at one time. Now, that's still my favorite way to make money with affiliate marketing because you get those high ticket checks. However, you still want to have your monthly reoccurring commissions as well because that's going to help you predict your affiliate marketing income. You see, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job within 9 months, but I was able to predict my income because of the monthly reoccurring commissions. And like I said, these companies continue to pay me every single month. So it's important to have a high ticket product as your main core offer because that's how you're going to make the big money in affiliate marketing. But all these small but very important reoccurring passive income is really important because that's the way you're going to predict your income with your affiliate marketing business. Now, before I reveal the top 7 programs, I want to mention that I'm also going to show you a quick tip on how to promote all of these programs. But again, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you one way to promote all of these programs without having to do any extra work. All right, so number 1 on my list is the TubeBuddy affiliate program. Now, this program is super cool. They pay you up to 30% every single month when someone becomes a subscriber to this program. Now, if you're not sure what TubeBuddy actually does, it essentially helps you grow your YouTube channel. Now, my channel has grown from 0 to almost 80,000 subscribers at the time of making this video. And what's cool is TubeBuddy has a completely free Chrome extension, as you can see right here, okay? So what's cool is I can use TubeBuddy to do my market research, to do my descriptions, my tags. And what's cool is TubeBuddy literally allows me to rank my videos at the top. So for example, if I go to YouTube and type in System IO tutorial, you can see I have one of my videos at the top of the listing, or at least the top 2, 3, or 5, which is super powerful because that's going to help me grow my YouTube channel. So it's something that I use every single day. And at the bottom here, you can see it'll give me stats. It'll give me data on what type of keywords I should use. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the YouTube description on where you can apply for all these affiliate programs. I'll leave that in the description down below. Now, this is how I promote the TubeBuddy affiliate program. And note, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage my videos as your own. Essentially, what I want to do is I'm teaching people how they can grow their YouTube channel. As you can see, I have videos teaching, how to start a YouTube channel. And the goal is I'm providing value for people, but in the description of this YouTube video, I'm saying, hey, if you want to, grow your channel with TubeBuddy, it's going to help you grow a lot faster, right? So if I click on this YouTube video, I teach people how they can grow a YouTube channel, but then I mention how they can use TubeBuddy to grow their channel. You see, so I'm giving them value, but as you can see, now they can go to this link where they can then get TubeBuddy, and of course, I get paid as an affiliate. And when someone becomes a TubeBuddy subscriber, I'm gonna get paid every single month for the rest of my life as long as they're still paying. All right, so affiliate program number 2 that pays me every single month is a program called HeyGen. Now, this is a super cool program that I use to create 100% AI videos to generate leads for my online business. So as you can see, these videos right here are completely done using AI and using HeyGen. Now, this is a newer program that I just started promoting, and this program pays 25% when someone becomes a subscriber and starts using HeyGen to start creating content. Now, the way I personally promote HeyGen is by teaching people how they can create videos without using their face or their voice. So for example, in this video right here, I'm showing people how they can create this step by step. And in the description of this video, I then have a link to my HeyGen link. So I want you to start seeing the pattern of how I'm promoting these programs. I'm not just saying, hey, this is how you use HeyGen. I'm showing people how to do a certain thing, right? How to get leads, how to grow on YouTube, whatever it is that I'm trying to teach, I teach the main core result. And then the tool's the thing in the middle that helps them get that result. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm not even talking about HeyGen at all. I'm talking about how they can get leads, but then the tool is the thing that helps them get leads. Monthly reoccurring affiliate program number 3 is the Funnel Freedom Affiliate Program. Now, Funnel Freedom is an all-in-one business solution to build an online business. Now, more specifically, you can actually use Funnel Freedom to promote multiple different products. People can add their affiliate links here, and Funnel Freedom will essentially build a funnel for them over a year's worth of emails, and on top of that, it will allow people to leverage YouTube videos as their own. Now, I'll talk a little bit about that at the end of this video, but more specifically, I want to show you what I'm doing to promote the Funnel Freedom Affiliate Program. So on my Instagram, I create simple content and videos that gets people to a free course. And as you can see, I'm even using HeyGen to create these AI videos that gets people to my free course. Now, what I do is I get them to this link right here, and inside of this link, as you can see, this is the free course. Now, the way I'm able to get Funnel Freedom signups is when people click on this free course and they sign up for it, it leads them to this program right here. It's a 7-part free course. And as you can see in part number 7, there's a link to my Funnel Freedom account right here. So when people click on that and they sign up, I'm going to get paid every single month. Now, I do want to mention you're going to be able to clone that exact same course as your own, and I'll show you exactly how to do that later. Now, affiliate program number 4 is Marketing Blocks AI. Now, Marketing Blocks is an artificial intelligence software that helps people do a ton of things, right? So for example, if I'm in my Marketing Blocks account, you can see people can write a book, they can create bots, they can create websites, create content, they can create membership sites. Literally, they can create anything using Marketing Blocks. It's literally insane. Now, I'm an affiliate of this program because I use this every single day in my business. And you'll notice I'm starting to promote a lot of AI softwares because honestly, that's where everything is going. And the main goal of my business is to help my clients and my students make their life easier. So if I can give them things like Marketing Blocks, HeyGen to help them create more content and become more efficient, that's why I'm promoting these products. Now, product number 5 that pays me every single month is System.io. Now, System.io is another all-in-one solution like I mentioned with Funnel Freedom. Now, with System.io, it's free to get started for someone building their business. Now, my number 1 recommendation when they're building their online business is Funnel Freedom because this allows them to completely build their online business while promoting multiple different products. Now, if someone absolutely cannot pay for a software to start their online business, then I recommend System.io because at least they can still start their business, right? There's no excuse to not building an online business. And that's why I also promote System.io as my second funnel builder and all-in-one business platform. Now with System.io, you get paid 60% as an affiliate, but of course you don't get paid until someone starts paying. Now the cool thing is, let's just say someone signs up for this free account. Then when they go ahead and upgrade as their business grows, you're gonna get paid every single month. Now the way I promote System.io is simply creating tutorials, help guides on YouTube, as you can see right here. And I have several videos that I've created that helps people create their System.io business. Affiliate program number 6 is the GetResponse affiliate program. Now GetResponse pays 33% continuous commissions every single month as long as someone is paying for their online business. Now one thing I want to mention is GetResponse is an autoresponder. So basically this is how you can build your email list, send out automated emails, automations. This is completely done with GetResponse. Now to be completely transparent, this is how I grew my online business, and I grew my GetResponse email list to over 500,000 email subscribers. Now I still love GetResponse and I still use them, but I have completely switched from GetResponse to Funnel Freedom, since Funnel Freedom is an all-in-one software and I don't have to pay for multiple different programs. But this is something I still promote in my older YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you a way to promote GetResponse as well at the end of this video. And the cool thing is it's actually free to sign up for a GetResponse account, at least so you can get started with email marketing. Now affiliate program number 7 that pays me monthly passive reoccurring commissions is Russel Brunson's Secrets of Success. Now this is a super cool and unique program. Essentially what it is, it's a membership area where he gets old books and mindset books. That way you can go and become a better business owner. And as you can see, this is just one of his products. It's essentially a 3-day challenge, but it gets people to buy a membership with the Secrets of Success. So essentially people are paying monthly for this membership area. Now the cool thing about this affiliate program is it's a 2-tier program. So essentially what that means is you can make money by referring people to buy it, but you can also make money by referring people to promote it. So essentially if you become an affiliate for the Secrets of Success, you can actually send your affiliate link for someone to become an affiliate under you, and you're going to get all of their commissions as well, at least 10% of it. So it's a super cool program to promote as well. And this is something that I love promoting because it helps my students grow their mindset, which helps them make more money in the end. Now, those are my top 7 favorite monthly reoccurring affiliate programs. And thank you for staying until the end, because I want to show you how you can promote multiple different programs using this unfair tool. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm using Funnel Freedom to completely build my entire business out. Now, the cool thing with Funnel Freedom is you can create websites, you can create funnels, you can do email marketing. It literally eliminates 95% of the softwares that you're going to need to build your online business. You can create a stand store, all kinds of stuff, right? What's super unique about this program is, as you can see in the Funnel Freedom settings here on the left, right? These settings right here, there's a custom setting that is built for you to promote multiple different programs. So as you can see, Funnel Freedom, Secrets of Success, Legendary Marketer, System.io, GetResponse, Udemy, Vizsla, InVideo, right? These are other programs that you can promote with the Funnel Freedom system. So essentially you can put all your affiliate links in here, and Funnel Freedom is literally going to promote it for you, meaning all the emails are done for you and your link is inserted. All the YouTube videos that I showed you earlier, you can leverage those as your own, but you're going to get the affiliate credit. And the best part is you can clone the entire funnel and the free course that promotes all of these products. So now essentially you can have an affiliate business that promotes 15, 20 multiple products in literally seconds to minutes. And it's ultra easy to set up. My dad actually got his first high ticket commission in just a few weeks, and he got his first low ticket commission in just the first few days. And on top of that, he's now getting paid every single month for some of these affiliate affiliate programs already. Now, if you want access to this software and you want to learn how to use this, I want to invite you to my 72-hour challenge. Within this challenge, I show you the structure of how I build my affiliate business. And on day 2 of this 72-hour challenge, I show you how to use the software and how you can clone this business in literally seconds. So if you want access to that 72-hour challenge and how you can use this unfair software, I'm gonna leave a link in the YouTube description. It's gonna be the first link down below. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.